Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming the remote model and connecting a proper cable. This matters because Lightning and USB-C remotes charge differently. Plug the cable into the remote and into a known powered adapter or USB port. Once done, make sure the connector seats fully. You should feel a light click. Leave it connected for 5 to 10 minutes so the battery electronics register a charge. This initial time prevents false no-charge readings and lets diagnostics become available on the set. Next, use the Apple TV interface to confirm charging. Navigate to Settings, then Remotes and Devices. Select your remote entry and observe the battery percentage or charging icon. This shows how the system reads the remote. If you just connected the cable, wait 1 to 2 minutes so the status refreshes. Sometimes the UI lags while the remote reports battery data. Pay attention to any charging icon animation or percent increase. That's the reliable confirmation the remote is actually receiving power. To finish, confirm the charge by unplugging and replugging after a brief restart of the Apple TV. Restarting clears communication glitches so the battery percent updates correctly. If you see no change, switch cables and adapters. Cables fail often, and test another USB power source to rule out a bad port. Make sure the remote's port is clean and undamaged. If those steps fail, consider contacting service. A faulty battery or port requires repair or replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.